What is up, everyone? This is Mo Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the CxUIUSvc high CPU usage error that you may be getting. So let's go right into this. So if you're getting this error on your Windows 10 or 11 device, or in general Windows device, I'm going to show you what to do to fix this. The first thing you want to do is go to your search bar and type in Device Manager until you see this pop up. In here, you're going to find wherever your top basically thing is, but we're going to click into the first thing that we see here, which is Audio Inputs and Output Device. So one of these, we just don't know which one, is the main culprit causing the issue for this. So the easiest way to basically fix this is to right click into all of them and then uninstall device for all of them. Don't worry, you should be fine once you do this. You can try one by one as well. So let's say this Dell one, you uninstall the device, restart your computer, and it will reinstall it again for you. So you can go again one by one for all of them. Like again, this is a monitor. Basically, it's looking for an audio input device, right? This is my game capture card. This is my microphone, etc., right? Some of them might not even be an input, or I guess some of them are actually, because it's a microphone and whatnot. But I know this monitor, for example, isn't. It does not have any speakers, but it's there technically. So you want to basically just go there again, all one by one if you want to, or just all of them together. It's up to you on how you want to do it, but yeah, that's basically it. Once you do this, you should be good to go, and that error will go away. So yeah, if you guys like the video, please smash this up, guys, in the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and that Mo Tutorials out. Peace.